up, guys? What's going on? Today's Thursday. And head to my dad's job. Gonna do the oil change on the Civic. Do the ground for my Civic also, and then do the oil for my Jeep also. So let it warm up real quick. I'm gonna take it out right now and head to my dad's job. Definitely know that I need to get a wheel alignment, but the car feels fucking great. V-Tank is working perfectly fine. I'm in love with it. The only thing that's bothering me is that third gear that's grinding, and the idle. The idle on this, idling like around like 15, 14 around this. So I'm trying my best to look around, search around, see if I can find why it's doing that. But the car feels amazing though. Nothing to fuck around with. Holy shit. Let me tell you, this car scares the shit out of me right now. And my fucking idle is like staying stuck open right now. Or staying like revving high. No idea why. Back to figuring shit out. Alright, I'm gonna do the oil change now. I always like to do the oil change after I come back from the dyno, so take out that oil. And yeah, I gotta change this seal right here. This is the one that's leaking. But we're gonna drop the trans in like a week. We're gonna drop down the trans. So that's not gonna be an issue because I'll just replace it. But it's super easy. Like when the car's in the lift, is literally so easy. Like you gotta just take those two off. You gotta take that one off right there. And then there's like two more up top. Super easy when the car's on the lift also. Only bitches, you know, bringing it down, but it'll be 3 of us, so we should be fine. But yeah, the ladders were coming off. I glued them on as best as possible. They haven't came off. This one, the O just like completely just came off. They're gonna send me another one of that. I have glue in the car also. My rear, I had cut the rear, but looks like I might have to go a little bit more. It looks like the tire is still coming off, so I know I need better suspension, but I'm not gonna waste money on that right this minute. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna probably shave down a little bit more, like around this area right here. And we should be good. It's just still clean. It's literally still clean. It's just, it always looks like that on camera. Huh? Yeah. It's dirty already. Not that dirty though. No, let me see. Nah, it's still clean. Oh shit, man. Yeah, but always want to just change the oil out. It's been on the dyno, and I've driven it a little bit more also before I took it to the dyno, so I always want to do fresh oil change. Alright, finally, I know it looks ugly, but I gotta do. The little filter that was here blew off, so there was oil going everywhere. Regardless, I gotta like still clean up. I gotta get metal polish this back up again, because it's getting like water spots from everywhere, you know, from the oil and all that stuff, and I'm trying to have it still look good, you know. So yeah, just did that now. Put new oil, new York solo sticker, put the gold to match the goldish theme on the car. It looks pretty good. I like it. But yeah, working on my Jeep over there. Just did the oil change and everything. Now what we're gonna do is the ground over here. Why my camera looks dirty? There you go. Now it's clean. I had the ground here just to move the car, and I never got to move it again. So either I'm gonna grab this ground and we're gonna clean this up right here and put it through that screw right there. That way I can turn the battery better. I have the battery bracket too, but it's not here. It's in my house, but that's how I'm gonna run it. And it shouldn't move anyways, because I put this toolbox is in front of it, so it definitely shouldn't move at all. Well, it's not gonna move anyways, but yeah, just did the thermostat oil on that. This thing needs a car wash of his life. There's no water here. Well, there's water, but not a hole. So I might just like throw water in it and then just rinse it down or something. This shit is so dirty. You guys know me. I got bored. Started sanding the side skirt already. Got that smoothed out all the way to the bottom. Should be good. Got the other one over there. I'll probably hit this one more time, dry it off, see how it looks, and I might paint it today maybe. We'll see. Alright, so I just sanded both of them now, and this one's a little wet drying, but that one's good to go. I just gotta get primer now to primer them. I'm not sure if my dad has primer here, but now it's just left to primer it, wet sand it down again, and then I have I forgot the name of it, enhancer I think it's called. It's basically for plastic. I forgot the name of it, but it's so the paint is able to like flex and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna see if you have some primer, and we'll see. But I have the stuff here that you guys can see what I'm talking about. What is this? So adhesive right here, promoter right here. So how you doing bumper stuff like that, so like a flex. 2K clear car, you know, original car clear and original car paint. So if you guys don't know, you just take this cap, pop in the bottom. It's good for 1 hour, and that's it. So that's the last step I gotta do, and then put on the car because I'm missing the whole side skirt. All right, gonna leave the battery here, ground there. Power is coming all the way around. It should be good for there now. I got the battery tray in my house. Put that on later on. Everything here is good. The relay is on. Yeah, we're good. I just zipped out the wires. Yeah, that's how we're looking. We're good to go. Yeah, man. Save on the carbon, man. Wish this shit would have not got messed up. You guys actually like see the carbon. I can't really see it, but wish I could see my carbon again. Now like a freezing cold car wash. Hello. Wipe down, this shit was way too dirty. Hoping that like next week I could take it to my detailer guy so he could detail the car for me. If not, then I'll end up figuring it out. She was way too dirty. Alright, that's it. Heading home. Bro, these yellow lights hit different. I was messing with the idle screw on the car, and we could not get it to idle any lower. The car just shuts off when you like rev it. So there's nothing really I can do. I put it idle right back to where I think it was. I'm revving it now, and I was literally two-stepping, and it wasn't turning off. So the car is just gonna idle like around 14 around there. So nothing I can really do about it. I gotta check the relay again when I get back home. But yeah, I'm just gonna head home and call it a night. I'm actually gonna go see Avatar. So, but this thing looks different. Hey, what up, guys? I'm actually driving home right now. Forgot to close out the video as usual. So I wanted to let you guys know. Appreciate you guys for watching. I just gotta figure out this issue with the car. I'm gonna get a new IAC for the car. Let's see if maybe the IAC is the issue. I know the IAC holds the idle on cold start and stuff like that, but I know sometimes if it's bad, sometimes it'll mess with like the idle and stuff like that, with the idle like dropping and turning off. Because I honestly don't know what it is, but the car has to idle like around 15. If not, it'll shut off when you like rev it. It'll just drop. It won't hold idle at all. Those are the only parts that hold, obviously, air. There's no boost leak. There's nothing. There's no boost leak at all. The car, I mean, the thing about it too, even if there was a boost leak like in the piping and stuff like that, which there isn't, it wouldn't make the car like die like that. Usually it would be like a gasket or something like that, which there isn't any leaks on. The throttle body is fine. The intake gasket, I believe if that had a leak, it'll be like idling super high or even higher. But I do have this issue sometimes too when I'm driving for like a few minutes and I like let go of the gas. The car was like staying stuck at like 2,000 RPM revving. I'll give it gas and then like it'll come right back up. And if I drive, it'll go away. It'll like go away. Or if I turn the car on and off, it'll go away, but then it'll like come back. But the main relay is still clicking. And on my way back home, I heard like the main relay click, and the car like kind of like, it sounded like if you uploaded another bass map to it, like the tone of the car like changed, and then it just like died. So Hula brought me another main relay, so I'm gonna check that out, put that main relay on, and see if that's the issue. If not, then I'm gonna just go over the ground maybe on the car, because I know the car's getting wet around that area too. So I moved the ECU from there. I put the ECU on the floor now. So basically, yeah, I'm just gonna change that out, and hopefully that's the issue. I did notice that before when I did the base map on the main relay, I was hearing it click like here and there, like barely, but I would hear it click. So I think the main relay on that one was kind of going bad, and that's not an original one. That one's like I got that from eBay, like, I don't even know, 7 years ago, 6 years ago. It's been so long, but it was always good. So, but Julio just gave me now an original one, so I'm gonna just put the original one on the car, just clean it up. It's a little dirty and shit, but that's about it. But anyways, I just wanted to call the video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I got one video that I'm gonna do, I believe after this one, and then I'm gonna hit you guys with some news, some life-changing stuff that I'm really gonna need all you guys that watch support, like 100% now. So yeah, we'll get into that after this video. I'm just gonna do like a video of just putting everything I've done to the car at once. I'm not gonna be able to put like all the small little details, but you guys will see it. Like at the end of the video, I'll explain everything that's done to the car and all the other little specific stuff here and there. So yeah, guys, so like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. I really need like everyone's support now. And yeah, it's a new year. It's literally January 1st, so let's start off the year good. New blessings, new chapter, new everything, literally. So peace out, guys.